By 2012, the dollar will be dead. Folks, please, I beg of you, listen to what Alex Jones is saying. He's telling you things that I know you feel are difficult to believe. I'm telling you exactly what one of the elitists themselves said.
Well, they're openly saying in the newspaper, they're going to kill the dollar now. Please continue, Lindsey.
This one, Alex, and this one would take a whole program within itself, too. War, you ready? Folks, this is stunning. This is startling. War is planned after 2 years. Now, I'm sorry. This shook me to no end, and I asked him to elaborate, and he even said where it's going to take place, and he said where it'll start and how it'll spread. It's already planned. I mean...
Well, Lindsey, we're going to tell people about the DVD where you lay this out over 3 hours. We're going to have you back on tomorrow for part 2 of this, if you can do it. If not, Wednesday. But tell us what region, because I mean, last time you laid your money where your mouth is with the oil prediction from him. You were right. Where is he saying? The intel I've got from the Rand Corporation and the Pentagon is they're going to start wars in Eastern Europe, wars in Central Asia, and wars in the Middle East simultaneously on the order of World War II.
It's going to start in Iran. It'll start around that Middle East area, and it will more than likely be in relationship to Iran and Israel, and it will spread to the entire world. I'll elaborate more and more on that later.
But he says they're waiting for 2 years.
He said you've got a 2-year timeline. Okay, folks, please listen to me. You positively must take action immediately, or your children and your grandchildren will forever be slaves to the elite. Folks,
Lindsey, I've never heard you with this much earnest in your voice, and that's how I am. It's coming down. I've never seen them move this quick. I can't even believe the lightning speed they're implementing everything.
The elite are laughing at us. Alex, I am so stunned. You know why they... Okay, I've got so much you already know where to go. You know why the elite altered their timeline? You know why. But I want to give it to you as they said it. The elite have altered their timeline because you gave them $2.5 trillion in the last 2 months of the Bush administration. Folks, you've got to hear this in depth. I mean, this would take the longest to go into why. I'll tell you briefly. Just before Bush left office, they had created an artificial crisis. It really didn't exist. Isn't it amazing that crisis isn't out there anymore right now?
And they came out and badmouthed the market and said we'd have a depression, and it went down a couple thousand points. They admit the Congress admits they were terrorized into it.
Yeah, they were terrorized into it, and the stock market is going to keep going up and up and up and up. Mark my words. He told me what's going to happen to the stock market. He told me where the price of gold is going. He gave a schedule of events chronologically in order over the next 2 years. I think he was really doing it, Alex, because he is so concerned. I mean, his conscience must be, there's no telling what this man feels like, knowing his age and where he is. And I think really he was trying his best to do everything he could to warn people. Folks, you have got to take action immediately, or your children and grandchildren will forever. Okay, let me go back to why they altered that timeline. In the last 2 months of the Bush administration, they created an artificial crisis. You know, that's what the elite are so good at. They create a crisis, then they create a solution. Well, the solution was for the American taxpayer to give, through the Federal Reserve, all of these trillions of dollars, and then I'm sure you remember what happened after it was all over with, and some of the news services came out and said, we have got to know where that money went to, and I've got the clip on my DVD. They said when the representative of the Federal Reserve was asked to appear before Congress, and they demanded to know where $2.5 trillion of this money went, they said, we can't tell you. We won't let you know. We refuse to answer. And as a result of you, the taxpayer, stupid, dumb, gullible, they've given you baseball and apple pie and your beer, and you become satisfied with a job. And you know what J-O-B, you know what job means? Just over broke. They've given you exactly just enough to keep you quiet so that you won't rise up And when you gave them $2.5 trillion approximately, they altered their timeline. I mean, when this man told me what they have done, and basically it's for your good, because you've got just a little bit longer. They think they've almost got it made. They're sure that you're not going to rise up and do anything about it. You are not going to revolt because they know that you're already so poor. And after 2 years, he said, you'll be so poor you will not be able to rebel against the elite. And the elite are laughing at the gullible, stupid American. Now, folks, please forgive me for saying that. But the elite are laughing at us because they know that they have us exactly where they want us. Okay, here goes. I'll give you the next statement. Within 2 years, nearly everyone will be working for the government. Oh, watch it. General Motors, what happened? They bailed them out. So now the President of the United States of America is CEO of General Motors and Chrysler. Then the banks came along, and they're gobbling up another 7, 8, 10 banks gradually, a little bit at a time, every single weekend.
Now they're taking over health care. They're going to issue national ID cards. They're going to have one to have a job. They've announced it. Stay there, Lindsey Williams. And the carbon tax won't let you drive, live, home inspections, teenagers in uniforms running around with weapons. Just hell is going to be released on us. Lindsey Williams with inside info straight ahead. Key information.